Hello, and welcome back to Omron's Creative Lab video series. My name is Patrick Leahy, the Connector Product Manager here at Omron Electronic Components. Today I have the distinct pleasure to introduce you to Omron's new XW4M 3.5mm push-in PCB terminal block connector. These XW4M connectors greatly improve the efficiency of cable connection by lowering the insertion retraction force through Omron's original design structure while still maintaining high contact reliability. The ability to use one-hand insertion with very low force will help save the operator's wiring time. This time saving can be seen throughout the electrical equipment's testing through production, and also can be seen for the end user's maintenance and installation of the end equipment, making this an ideal connector solution for the factory automation industry. Industry low profile to save space in the design, depth of 6.4mm for single row and 16.8mm for double row. A one-push lever design provides secure socket insertion with one hand. A commercially available screwdriver can be held during wire extraction, providing ease of use. Enhanced efficiency during inspection, assembly, and maintenance processes. Lower insertion retraction force. The XW4M series comes available with a vertical plug or horizontal right angle plug and either 1 or 2 rows of contacts. One row type comes available with 2 to 20 contacts and 2 row type with 4 to 40. Both can come available with tin or gold plated contacts. The pitch is 3.5mm with a rated current of 8 amps and rated voltage of 160, 250, or 300 volts. These connectors have an ambient operating temperature of -40 to 100 degrees C, and the applicable wire is stranded solid AWG 24-16 and stranded with ferrule both with and without plastic sleeve. And that wraps up today's introduction to Omron's newest addition to the connector portfolio, the XW4M series. Thank you for your time, and to find out more about this connector or our other product offerings, be sure to visit our website at components.omron.com, or you can email myself at patrick.leahy@omron.com. Until next time, I'm Patrick Leahy. Have a great day.